Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an edible cake topper to make your cakes just a little extra special. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to trace whatever number or letters that you want to use for your cake topper and put a piece of wax paper or parchment paper on top. And then here I just have 2 wooden sticks that we're gonna place right on top of our numbers. And then with some melted chocolate, we're gonna glue them down to the parchment paper. And now we're just gonna fill in the number with our melted chocolate. While your chocolate is still wet, we're going to go in and add some sprinkles to your numbers. Okay, once you have your sprinkles on your chocolate, we're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes till the chocolate is hardened, and then we'll be able to peel it right off of the paper. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.